Hey Tubes, how you doing? Thought I'd give you a little update on some of the things I've been working on. This E36 here, 1996 BMW 328, went to the shop and had a new rear hub and differential seals put in it. And at the same time, they went through the whole car, and I got a whole shopping list of things that I had to do. And front sway bar links, front the control arm bushings, the front brake hoses, the rear hoses. Well, those front bushings, I was knowledgeable about the fact that they sometimes can be a pain, but I tried to make it easy on myself, and I'll show you what I did. When I spec'd out the front bushings, sway bar bushings, or not sway bar, the control arm bushings, I made sure I got the ones where the bushings and the mounting bracket all came together. I thought, okay, just unbolt it from the body, and take the nut off the... Actually, there's nothing. There's just a rod on the back of the control arm there that goes through this right here. And, just should be a piece of cake, pull these off, put the other ones on. Well, this part that goes on to the control arm here tends to be a tight, snug fit, and it's got a rubber with a metal bushing and a set-in rubber, and pounding on rubber just don't work. You just kind of, hit it and it bounces right back. So I made myself a little tool. What this does is it goes, this part is on the all one piece here, of course, but what it does is it goes in, let's see, is that the one? This might be the one. Here. There. Okay, it's something like that. And you take this, and that just pushes it. This goes through a hole in the control arm, and it just pushes this right on over the thing. There's a hole right there, just the size I need, and it worked like a champ. And so now I have a E36 bushing installing tool that I'm probably never going to use again. But we'll put it in the tool drawer, and I'll label it as such. And if anybody's watching this and wants to put new front control arm bushings in their E36, just give me a shout and I can help you out. Talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Have a good day.